This video will walk you through how to create yield maps from your FarmTRX yield monitor. Your yield data is saved on your yield monitor, and with the FarmTRX mobile app, you can wirelessly upload this data to the web. The first step is to make sure you have registered using the link in your Quick Start guide. Once you have your login information, the next step is to log into the web app to create your field boundaries. Navigate to the Field Editor tab. You can zoom into the area that you farm and click Save State at the top right of your screen to set this as your default view. You can also enter a street address to navigate right to your farm. To create a new field boundary, double-click on the year and then the season that you would like to add the field in. Then click the Create New Field button. Now simply click on your field to add points in each corner. When you're done drawing, double-click to finish. Now name your field, then click Add. On the next screen, you can edit your points or add holes. To edit a point, click the Nodes button, then you can click and drag any point to edit it. To add holes, click on the Add Holes button and put your mouse over your field. Hold the Alt button on your keyboard and then click to create the points around each hole. Double click to finish drawing. Now that you have your field boundaries set up, any data recorded in those fields that gets uploaded will automatically get processed into yield maps. To upload your yield data, open up the mobile app. Then navigate to the Cloud Sync page and enter your information. From this page, you can sync yield data from your yield monitor to your phone or tablet and upload it to the web. When you are connected to your yield monitor, this page will show you if there's data ready to be synced to your mobile device. If the app shows that there is data available, click the Sync button. The files will now be transferred to your mobile device. If you have a data connection, the files will automatically upload to the web app. If not, you can upload the files later over Wi-Fi. With the files synced to your device, you can now take your phone or tablet out of the Combine and connect to a Wi-Fi network, then go back to the Cloud Sync page and hit Sync. Once uploaded, your yield data will automatically be generated into yield maps. To view your yield maps, log into the FarmTRX web app. Then navigate to the Maps tab, then double-click on the year, then double-click on the season you want to view. You will see a list of your fields. Fields with a green folder icon in their name have yield maps ready to view. Double-click on a field name, then double-click on any layer you would like to view. This will zoom you to that field and display that map layer. If you would like to recalibrate your field after the fact, navigate to the Field Editor page, click on the field you would like to change, then click the Edit icon, and enter the total yield for that field in bushels. Once you have done that, click Save, and the field will recalibrate. The app will now reprocess your field. It may take a few minutes to reappear in your Maps tab. To export any layers from your field, simply click on the field folder, then click the Export Field button. Now you can select which layer you would like to output, select the format, and then click Export. This will begin downloading your field. Now you can open that in a program of your choice or send it to your agronomist. If you have any questions or need any support, please reach out to our support team.